Who's there? I'll cut your throat if you're another smiling creature. No, I'm not a creature. I'm just a nightmare raven. Put down those knives. Good morning, Baba. How are you? I just want to die. And you? Really? You just want to die? Yes. What do I owe your visit to? Well, I went to the cemetery a while ago and got this for you. I'm sure it belonged to someone important, like a great poet with a great tragic life. Or maybe I got it from supermarket trash. Fun, right? Our friends think I'm dangerous. Just go away. I'll starve to death in a week or two. Ah, don't say that, Baba. We all still love you very much. And you're in luck because today is a great day to reconnect with our friends. Oh, or not. You sound like a smiley trash. Or a smiley trash. Well, you leave me no choice. To be continued.